how to check and test proximity recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Device Care. After click on Device Care, scroll down and click on Diagnostics. After click on Diagnostics, click on Phone Diagnostics and click on Stop Diagnostics. Scroll down and you will see proximity recognition is here. If you want to check and test proximity recognition, click on proximity recognition. You will see proximity result is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can check and test proximity recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.